Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the Xfinity router blinking green issue. The blinking green light on your Xfinity router indicates that it is trying to establish a connection or is in the process of booting up. However, if the light persists, it may be a sign of a problem that needs to be addressed. To begin, let's understand the meaning behind the blinking green light. The Xfinity router uses a series of lights to indicate its status, including a blinking green light, which can signify a range of issues, from a simple connection problem to a more complex hardware or software issue. Step 1. Restart your router. This is often the simplest and most effective solution to resolve connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the router. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset the router and may resolve the blinking green light issue. Step 2. Check your cables and connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports on the router and your devices. A loose or damaged cable can cause connectivity problems, leading to the blinking green light. Step 3. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause issues with your router, including the blinking green light. Log into your Xfinity account and check for any available firmware updates. Follow the prompts to install the latest version. Step 4. Reset your router to its default settings. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to reset your router to its default settings. This will erase all customized settings, so be sure to write down any important information before doing so. Use a paperclip or pin to press the small reset button on the back of the router, and hold it for about 10 seconds. In conclusion, the blinking green light on your Xfinity router can be caused by a range of issues, from simple connection problems to more complex hardware or software issues. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the problem. Remember to always check your cables and connections. Restart your router. Check for firmware updates, and reset your router to its default settings if necessary. By taking these steps, you can resolve the blinking green light issue and get your internet connection up and running smoothly.